Harper's idea is that students will actually get to enjoy literature if we teach it in a way that matches their level. The main goal here is not just to make them memorize dates and authors, but to help them see literature as something important and connected to real life. Now we have here the humanistic approach. Traditionally, you might be thinking of literature class as just reading a book and answering questions about it. It's about really digging into the text and having a conversation with it. This is what we mean by dialectic process. Like for example, if you read a poem about heartbreak, you're not just thinking about what the poet meant. You're also thinking about your own experiences with sadness or loss. So how do we actually do this? Harper suggests a three-phase approach with activities that help students connect with the text. The first phase is the preparatory phase. This phase is all about getting students ready to dive into the literature. We want to activate their brains and get them thinking about the themes and ideas they will find in the text. The second phase is the interpretative phase. This phase is where students really start to grapple with the text. This phase emphasizes a dialogic process, meaning it's a conversation between the students, the text, and each other. So, how do we facilitate this dialogue? We have here several activities. The dialogue technique, wherein it encourages students to really listen to each other. Sequence personalized question strategies. It means asking questions that encourage students to connect the text to their own experiences and perspectives. Rewriting a text. This could involve changing the ending, writing from a different character's perspective, or even translating the text into a different genre. Oral presentations, wherein these activities encourage students to engage with the text in a more performative way. Finally, we have the synthesis phase. This is the culmination of the learning process. It's about taking everything they've learned and creating something new. In this phase, students are encouraged to view the text as a unique whole. They are now focusing on how all these pieces fit together to create a meaningful experience. So these are the following activities. Again, the preparatory phase is where we are building background, knowledge, and making connections. The interpretative phase is where we are exploring meaning and engaging in dialogue. And lastly, the synthesis phase, where we are creating something new and expressing our own unique understanding.
Created using Powtoon.